A refreshing, healthy summer drink. For this, you will need to take a few mint leaves. Here I have washed the mint leaves and removed them and kept them aside. And by using a strainer, I will squeeze a lemon. Now, since the drink is for 2 people, 1 lemon should be enough. If it's for 4 or 5, you'll have to squeeze out 2 lemons. By using a strainer in this way for squeezing the juice from the lemons, the seeds will be left over in the mesh itself, and this will avoid your drink from getting spoiled with the bitter taste that leaves from the seeds of the lemon. Once you are done squeezing the lemon, you are going to add in the mint leaves. So these are a handful of mint leaves. If you are having more people, you can take a little more. Then we are going to add a quarter bit of pink salt, and then 3 teaspoons sugar if you have a sweet tooth. If not, reduce it. And here I have added black salt. Thereafter you will add water and give it a quick grind, just for a bit, so that the taste blends in well. Thereafter, using the mesh, the strainer, again strain the drink. So whatever mint parts are there that was grinded will all remain back in the mesh, and you will have the pure drink. So enjoy the drink. Let me know in the comments how did you all like this drink. Mint is very healthy. They help in digestion. They even help with breath related problems and for sore mouth as well. They are a good source of vitamin A, C, iron and protein. Hence, using mint leaves will be very beneficial for you.